Don't you tell us shut up and dance. Hindi ko alam kasi yung lyrics. Pero trending yan eh.
Short has...
Kasi nupo tayo doon. Sana na naman. Sana na naman. Thank you, Lord.